How to craft a perfect proposal? Suppose you found the right projects, but every project incurs multiple bids. How do you prove that you are their best bet? Well, here are 6 must have features of a perfect proposal in a logical order: introduction, skills, experience and successful track record, testimonials and ratings, vision, pricing. Introduction. The client will go through multiple proposals, so you only have a few seconds to make an impression. Be concise. Have an intro within 80 to 100 words. Follow this order for your intro. Greet them, mention your skills and experience, present a solution or give essential insights, justify why you are their best fit, and mention the samples given. Here's a content writer's proposal for an entertainment writer's role. Hi, I'm Shrey, a creative and detail-oriented wordsmith with 3+ years of experience. I've created content for various websites and social media clients across sectors like cinema, media, pop culture, lifestyle, and sociopolitics. I believe that short, humorous content using clever wordplay and multiple puns could be key for your channel. With my ingenuity, wit, and catchiness, I'm confident of bringing more eyeballs to your website and boost your reach. I've provided a few of my best pieces below. I'll wait for your response. Thank you. Relevant skills. List and relate your skills to your experience and successful campaigns. Work experience and successful projects. How to assure anyone of your abilities? Well, show them that you've done it before. Testimonials and ratings. Ratings build trust and add credibility to your proposal. Vision. Show what you think their project exactly needs. Like in my proposal, I suggested short, humorous content. And give examples. Pricing. Do your research, set your price, and remain confident. Neither undervalue yourself nor be too ambitious.